Look at that beautiful creature, would you? Okay, that's a pre-Rapala wiggle wart. Okay, and what I'm doing here today is just a small little craft idea I wanted to do to get my beautiful handcrafted wiggle warts in the case, and I want to secure them so that they're not banging around and getting all scratched up, because they are very costly. People do collect these, but these are all pre-Rapala wiggle warts, and they're done beautifully, hand painted. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, so watch the entire video. I'll give you the name and the link if you want to buy from this gentleman here that does them. I'll give you the eBay link. Okay, so I know these are going to get all banged up by fish biting them. These are definitely going to catch fish, but why let them bang around in the case and get really hacked up? So stay tuned and I'll show you how I got this done here. All right, guys, I'm building a custom case for my custom painted wiggle warts, okay? I bought some of these online and on eBay. Gorgeous, couple of gorgeous ones here. These are pre-Rapala ones that were painted over. And I got them in a nice case here. I bought this case at Home Depot for $9. Okay, it's double-sided, so the same thing on the other side. And I have some packaging foam on the bottom I put. So I'm going to be able to put 3, 6. I'm going to cut this open, and I'll put 2 more. It'll be 8. And 8 on the other side. So this case is going to hold 16 wiggle warts. Plus you'll have 4 compartments up here to hold your, your little leaders and so forth. And your swivels, whatever you want to use that for, okay? So what I'm doing is I have them in the case here, and I just want to build a little encapsulating unit to go over the top of it so that I don't scratch the top of these, because like I said, they are expensive. So bought a piece of pipe, Home Depot. It was like, I don't know, $4. And I got some of the foam. I cut a few notches in the pipe. I think that's 1.5 inch. Standard sink pipe. Very thin, it's gotta be thin. And then I just hot glued the styrofoam on the inside. And I'm gonna glue these back and make little clips. Just a clip over the top. When I close the case, it's going to push them down so they're not bouncing around in there. So let me glue this back and we'll see how it works out. Okay, guys, here we go. I just hot glued the edges back. So I have a nice little clip here, a little clamp. And what I want to do is just literally just clip it over like that. Just like that. Okay. And as you can see, that's a little bit above the case, and this is going to push down when I close that just a tad. Take that out of the way. Okay, so it's putting a little bit of pressure on it. It's holding it right in place for when we close it. Try to do this one-handed here. Okay, so that's locked down. See, the other ones are moving, and that one's staying stable. So just, cool little thing. Like I said, these are expensive, so do you really want them banging around in there? It's going to keep it nice and solid, nice and tight. These ones here are so pretty, I almost don't even want I just want to hang them up on the wall and look at them, but I guarantee you these are going to catch fish. Anyways, that's my little project for today. Hope you guys like that. If you guys do it another way, put a comment down below and let me know. All right, and we'll be starting up some fishing videos soon in the spring. Some more cooking, camping videos. We're going to hit it hard this year. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day, guys. I will leave a link in the description when I get permission from the gentleman who made these online. These are absolutely beautiful. Wiggle wart. Pre-Rapala. They're all painted custom over. Painted over custom. He did a beautiful job. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Catch us on the next vid.